Number 1. Inflates standard car tire in 2 minutes. Dual cylinder inflator for maximum power inflation. Direct drive inflator that connects directly to the battery for maximum power. Dial gauge inline on the hose. 30-foot total reach and bright LED light.
Number 2. 48-piece flat tire repair kit includes everything you need in a durable carrying case. The 12-volt tire inflator plugs directly into cigarette lighter and inflates a standard car tire in 3 minutes. Includes slime tire sealant, which seeks out and instantly seals puncture up to 1/4 using patented Fibro Seal technology. Also, includes T-handle reamer and plugger, with 34-inch black tire repair strings. Alligator clip power adapter allows for a direct-to-battery connection to draw maximum power.
Number 3. Inflates a standard car tire in 4 minutes, and is also ideal for sports balls, inflatable toys, and mattresses. Includes convenient mounting bracket and 120V wall outlet power source. Features tread depth gauge, 0 to 150 psi built-in dial gauge, valve caps, and accessory adapters. Easy grab handle, and plastic accessories case for convenient storage. Thermal brake safety feature to prevent overheating.
Number 4. Kit contains 2 distinct elements: powerful tire inflator, and slime emergency tire repair sealant. Tire sensor safe for use with standard car tires. No jack, no tools, no hassle. Slime tire sealant repairs tread area punctures up to 1/4 inches, 6 millimeters in diameter. Complete emergency flat tire repair in 15 minutes.
Number 5. Inflates a standard car tire in 4 minutes. Ideal for use on car, truck, and bike tires, as well as inflatable toys and sports balls. Integrated air hose wraps around the inflator for convenient storage. Plugs into any extension cord, making it perfect for keeping in your garage. Features a built-in dial gauge with a 0 to 150 psi range and a 0 to 10.3 bar range.